Alright guys, we're back, and so we're working on the glorious rear end of the Camaro. So I want to see what I can do about getting this rear end off. And I know Todd told me the specific name of this thing, and I can honestly say that I don't remember what it was. So anyways, we're going to be taking off some of this stuff, seeing what all I can get off, and just go from there. So that's piece one, so that's cool. Pretty easy. Got these little plastic tabs for your wires. You can undo that fairly easy, most likely. So yeah, get these undone here and see if we can get this off. So looks like this actually goes on and off fairly easy. That's what I would think. So you got another one of these plastics. I don't know what the name is. So yep. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 plastic tabs that you gotta undo to be able to get this rear piece off. And if you know what that name is, we'll do a quiz. Whoever knows that name, well, the comment gets to appear on this channel. How about that? Okay, so looks like it's, yeah, yes, that was easy, guys. So there's the tail light. Very cool. I gotta figure out a way to, actually I don't know where the plug comes in at. Let's see. It comes in from underneath already. So anyways, let's see if we can get this other out. Oh, maybe. There it goes. And then, ouch. Alright, so both the tail lights are out. So that's the acknowledgement. So it looks like for another part we got one bolt there, bolt over there, and I'm going to guess that somewhere in here there's another bolt. That's what I'm going to guess. So the plastic always seems to be pretty loose. Huh. Oh, we'll see what I can do here. Not sure. I'm going to make a wild guess and say it's probably a 10mm is the size that I'm looking at. And luckily, that's an 8mm. I should have a 10mm. It is a 10mm, so we're guessing. Probably wrong. Guess what, I'm right. Yep, 10mm for this piece. There's quite a few things holding this whole assembly together. I'm not sure where all this goes, it comes from, or any of that, but we're gonna figure it out. So, got my bolt screwdriver. I'm sure there's probably another name for it, but that's the name I found for it. And this is pushing. Alright, alrighty, so there's that. But there must be something else to holding it on. So I've got to figure out what that is. Oh, well, how about that? How about we start with that? Okay, so and I'm gonna need a brake bar. So screwdriver, ratchet. Alright, so here we go. Oh, once I get it to loosen. Yep, there it goes. Woohoo! Alright, so yeah, this rear fascia piece, I don't know what you call it, seems to be fairly easy to uninstall. So, not that I'm gonna cry about that, it's pretty nice. Don't ask me what I think about the dash right now. Man, that's annoying. I was like, I don't know what's on this on. So yeah, I mean, you got, for the rear fascia here, you got 4 10mm bolts. So that makes it nice. Let's see if hold on, just a sec. Okay, so there is that one. And we got one more way in there, so and I'm going to switch over to my handy dandy screwdriver here. Right, this whole way of doing it really works quite well. Yep, there it is. Alright, so in theory, in all glorious theory, it should come out. And it did. I'm so happy. But you didn't get to see it, so let me put it back. For just a second. And we'll enjoy the moment together. Alright, so in theory, this should come right off. Yay! Okay, so it's off. Now, what I need to do is unattach the tail lights. And then, yeah, we can take off this whole piece. So that was pretty easy. I like that. Then you got some more bolts down there. I think that's to the rear bumper panel. I'll probably go ahead and take that off too, since it's mostly plastic. Just to have it off. So hold on there for a minute while I try and unattach these tail lights, and then I'll bring it back. Alright guys, so these tail lights are actually very easy to do. So let me see if I can demonstrate it after I said, oh, it's so easy. Maybe going the wrong way. Yeah, just sort of. Well, maybe it's easy. It was easy on the other one. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, have to turn it, and it should pull right out, and there's your bulb. So really, when you want to replace the bulbs, all you have to do is going into the back there, and you can fix these lights pretty easily after it falls onto the ground. You have to chase it. Really, yeah, really easy to uninstall these. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Well, maybe it is. As I said, it's maybe. Always maybe. Wow, that one's really in there. Whew. Yeah, so anyways, there's your tail light. Pretty cool. I like that. So yeah, see what I can do with the rear bumper here for a little bit, and we'll come back to stuff. Alright guys, so we got all of that attached. So what I'm looking at now is the hatch assembly. Also want to see how much it might take to get the rear bumper off. So I'll be looking into that here in the next few minutes. So really getting the rear fascia, I guess, is kind of what you'd call it. I know Todd told me a name, but I can't remember it for anything. So anyways, really that's easy to uninstall, be able to get off, to switch bulbs or anything that you might want to do with the taillights. So yeah, that's a pretty easy mod to do, so makes that nice and easy. So we're going to work on the different assemblies here and see what we can do, and I'll keep you updated. Alright guys, so we'll work on the rear bumper another day, because that's going to take a little bit more work than I was thinking, but this is the antenna mount. Pretty cool, right? Yep. So you have one bolt, be right about there, and then it comes out right through here. So that's the antenna. So that's cool. Got that up pretty easy. And now we'll work on this. It looks like, what do we got? Wow, 10mm. Who knew? I need a ratchet for that, because that's going to be pretty tough. So we'll get this final assembly off here. This is the hatch lock mechanism and release. So I'm going to work on this. Then I'm going to call it a day, most likely. So not as much as I wanted to get done today, but it wasn't terrible either. So yeah, look at this. Yeah, this is one bolt. Okay, this is 2 bolt. And you got a third bolt for sure there. Not sure if there's another one. And you got the wires as well. Excuse me. And then final one. Sirens for some reason, not sure what's going on there. There we go, so sorry. And pretty much, yep, there it is, it's off. Cool. So that was easy. Now I just need to unplug it, and that should be fairly easy. There's one plug. Then this is number 2 here. Hold on. Yep, so there's your lock mechanism. Sweet. Yep, so well, thanks for coming along, guys. It is coming along. I am happy with all the stuff I was able to get out today, so that was fun. Wish I could have gotten the dash out. It's still up there sitting, as you can see. So we'll give you, hopefully Target's home, we'll give you the final update on that at some point. But yeah, so let's see what we got. We got the rear Camaro, both taillight pieces. We got the mechanism. We got that interior piece out that had all the glass in it. Got that into the trash can, hallelujah. And got an antenna, so not too bad. So slowly getting it apart. So as long as we're making progress, that's good. So anyways, thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching me not know what I was doing, and hopefully next time I pop up, we'll know more about what's going on with that dash, because that already helped us out. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and follow us here at TheCombustionGuys, YouTube, Anchor, and or Instagram. So see you next time, guys.